Do you like the track on your train table?
Yeah, my train table.
What all trains do you have?
Spencer.
Okay.
And Gordon and Hero and Oliver and Dash and Charlie and James and Stanley.
Oh, what other trains?
And Renee's.
Oh, wow. You got all those engines?
Yeah. Oh, we go with engines. Ah!
Oh, no. All of them crashed. Are you really frustrated right now?
Yeah.
Are you frustrated? Well, that's what happens when you put all those trains together, Grayson. You got way too many trains.
But now the trains are going to fit on here.
Yeah, maybe you should only have like 5 trains. How many trains do you have now? Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You have 7 trains on there right now.
And 1, 2, 3.
Good job counting, buddy. This is pretty cool. What does that do?
This turns.
That is awesome. Ah! 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 Oh, it turned off.
Let's try it again.
Ah!
Let me see that picture.
Oh, it's not a picture. I'm taking a video. See?
Yeah.
I'm taking a video of all your track.
Oh, Paxton.
Yeah, you gotta get Paxton and Stanley. Now how many trains do you have on there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
I think you went a little bit crazy there, buddy. I think you went a little bit crazy. You wanna try again?
Now pull them.
Sure, try and pull them, but I think they're probably gonna pull apart soon. Hey, wow, that's pretty cool. James makes noise and whistles.
Yeah, that's because Spencer's going to pop.
Oh, I think they're gonna crash soon. Oh, nope, no crash yet. They're going through Knapford Station. Oh, Spencer is starting to fall off the track.
Maybe there's...
Okay, they're gonna go up Gordon's Hill. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared, Grayson. What do you think is gonna happen?
I think they're all going to crash.
Well, hopefully not. I don't want the engines to crash. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Up so far. All the engines are making it. They're all making it. So far. So if we go really slow and careful, now we're starting to crash. All right, Daddy's gonna stop the video now. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.